The seventh episode of Mehmed, Sultan of Conquests, delves into the aftermath of Sultan Murad's sudden death and the ensuing power struggle to determine the next ruler of the Ottoman Empire. The episode opens with the palace and the people of the state plunged into mourning, setting the stage for a new era to begin. The central question that looms over the narrative is whose name will be inscribed at the forefront of this new chapter, Mehmed's or Orhan's. The episode unfolds with Kandarli's resistance to Mehmed's ascension to the throne, as he harbors doubts about the young prince's ability to rule effectively. Despite his apprehensions, Kandarli ultimately concedes and sends a message to Mehmed to proceed with the coronation ceremony. In contrast, Ishak, a key figure in the palace, expresses concerns about the potential challenges that may arise with Mehmed's rule. Mehmed, upon receiving news of his father's demise, swiftly mobilizes his soldiers and embarks on a journey to Edirne. He navigates the treacherous political landscape with caution, anticipating any plots that may be hatched against him. Meanwhile, Konstantinos, a rival of Mehmed, schemes to thwart his ascension by deploying his strongest men to obstruct Mehmed's path. The tension escalates as Mehmed finds himself ensnared in a dangerous trap orchestrated by his adversaries. How will he navigate this perilous situation and emerge victorious? On the other hand, Orhan, who is in close proximity to the throne, also rushes to Edirne in a bid to stake his claim. Despite the allure of joining forces with Konstantinos, Orhan rebuffs the offer, opting to pursue his own path to power. However, his journey is fraught with unexpected challenges, most notably the encounter with Bali Bey. The nature of Bali Bey's allegiance, whether he will submit to Orhan or resist him, remains uncertain, adding a layer of intrigue to the unfolding drama. Directed by Seyf Akbal and Yildiray Yildirim, and written by Ozan Badur, the episode features a stellar cast including Serkan Kayoglu, Selim Bayraktar, Fikret Kuskin, Sekin Özdemir, and Tuba Unsal, among others. The performances of the actors breathe life into the complex characters and the intricate power dynamics at play in the Ottoman court. In conclusion, the seventh episode of Mehmed, Sultan of Conquests, offers a riveting exploration of political intrigue, power struggles, and personal ambitions as the stage is set for a new ruler to ascend the throne. The narrative unfolds with tension and suspense, keeping viewers on the edge of their seats as Mehmed and Orhan navigate the treacherous waters of succession. As the plot thickens and alliances shift, the ultimate question remains: who will emerge victorious in the battle for the throne, Mehmed or Orhan?